Hello and welcome to Osaka Famous Spot in Japan. Every Sunday, I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor, Mr. Doi, and I'm making this video my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today, I will talk to you about Dotonbori. Dotonbori is one of the most famous places in Osaka, known for its bright neon signs and lively atmosphere. This area was developed during the Edo period by a merchant named Doton, and it became a center of the business and culture in Osaka. Today, Dotonbori is popular with tourists for its food and entertainment. Along the Dotonbori River, there are many restaurants where you can enjoy Osaka's famous foods like takoyaki, octopus balls, okonomiyaki, savory pancakes, and kushikatsu, fried savories. Taking a photo in front of the famous Glico sign is a must for many visitors. This sign, first put in 1935, is a symbol of Osaka energy. Recently, Dotonbori has had more light shows and projection mapping events, especially during Christmas and New Year's. The area becomes even more beautiful at night with a special light along the river. Also, when Osaka's sports teams win, some fans jumped into the Dotonbori River to celebrate, which is a unique tradition. Dotonbori is a place where you can experience the fun, culture, and food of Osaka all in one area. It shows the true energy of the city. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.